Okay guys, Dennis here with you. So today I just wanted to do a quick video that might help you in terms of your risk management or trade management, whatever you want to call it. So, and by the way, if you haven't already started to demo trade or trade live, I don't know why you have not. Grab your browser and get on the MetaTrader 4 website. It's absolutely free to download for any software or any platform. So get on that, alright? Anyway, jumping back to the GBP JPY currency pairs. So let's take this example over here. So for instance, if we were in this current period, okay, and we have the currency pair coming down, sorry, and then we've got a retracement, pretty much about 50% or so, and then we're just analyzing the next kind of candlesticks as to where we should be starting to trade. So right off the bat, we've got, you know, top resistance level, okay, and then we've got a support level here which has been tested and it's actually been touched here and it's holding, okay. So if it was, for instance, to go above this, we will start looking for long positions, and if it will start to go below this, we'll start looking for shorts. Alright, so far so good. Now if I just keep going, okay, so we've broken through, yeah, we've broken through that level. If I keep going down, how would we trade this pair by locking in our profits if we were slightly long-term trader? That is the question basically, okay? So that is what risk management is all about. Okay, so let's have a look. This is how I generally try to trade on my longer time frames. This is not something I do on my shorter ones for different reasons. However, for instance, we've broken through this level and say we entered short somewhere here. So let's have our entry marked up here as the dark black line. Alright? Okay, so we're short. Now what I'm looking for is a decent retracement level and a new resistance level. So previously this would have been our support, now would be acting as our resistance level. What I'm looking for is that swing down, resistance or retracement up, and a new level to start forming, okay? So this would have been our new level, yeah? So I'm just going to mark it over here. Actually, you know what? I'll stick a red line for our stop loss, okay? Boom. So this is our first stop loss just above the highs, okay? So you can see now, once, yes, we was in profit first, had a retracement almost on our entry, but we are now locked in a risk-free trade, okay? So if we just carry on going up, we want to see a good retracement. Now, let's have a look at this candle. Was this candle a big enough retracement for us to say, yeah, that is a good, solid, new resistance level? I don't think so. It looks pretty tiny. The retracement was pretty small, okay? However, if I go to the next one, okay, load them up. Okay, now we're getting a bit of a consolidation period, okay? We've got another green, however, we've got a bearish engulfing pattern here, okay? So right there, I would have just moved it slightly above that, and if it was to go above that, I would definitely be out. And also, let's have a look to the left here, guys. What do we have? Have a nice big doji here, okay? So this is acting as our resistance level now, okay? Does that make sense? So we'll just keep going. Okay, we're in, and you know, if you're starting to get a lot of consolidation and the pair's not going anyway, you might think of something like a timed exit, which is something that I normally employ if the pair's not really going my way in either direction really. Or we can just carry on holding our conservative stop loss there, okay? So let's have a look, and bang, we're stopped out, okay? So we would have been out this trade at 360 odd pips, so not too bad, okay? If you were to get out somewhere here, maybe in the middle of consolidation, about 500 pips, and you can actually see that we have another area to the left. If we were a bit clever earlier on, we would see that this level held 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even 6 times before, so it would have been a very difficult place to start breaking once we see a lot of support on a specific zone. Okay, so either way, not bad going, 360 pips on that, and let's have a look. And actually carried on breaking through. However, with your risk management and trade management, you've got to be conservative. Okay, guys, your task is to preserve your capital, not put your capital at risk. All right, and bang, we're off to the races. Okay, so hopefully that helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.